Hi guys, it's me Natalie, and today I'm here with
Ivana, Banana.
And me?
So we're doing, Juliana too. Don't show your face, because I don't want them to see your face. But we're gonna do slime today. And I should have brought plates out. So you're good.
Oh.
I can't play it now.
I'll give you a little bit here. Give her a little bit of your slime. It's not that sticky.
Yeah, mine's so stickier than yours.
I feel it.
Yeah, see?
Mine's sticky too, so Jules, you're only getting a little bit like that.
Hey,
Give
no.
her a tiny bit
It's
more.
really sticky.
Yeah, you can't have mine because it's really sticky.
Yeah, we're talking. We made these slimes. Okay, see, this was our friend Melita's, and she lets have them, and we made them. Really cool.
I danced this.
Yeah.
See, it's too sticky. Wait, I think
Give me hands.
you have warm hands. You can't have you can't have cold hands. You have cold hands if it's sticking to you.
Give me hands.
Look how
She has hot hands.
she does.
So I have to play.
Okay, so this is our slime.
Let me stop.
Jules!
I have disgusting brown. Of course. Because I get disgusting colors.
Yeah, it was a brown, and then she tried to make it into a
Dark
blue.
And I did little piece by little piece, and it actually worked, but as a little piece. But whenever I did the little piece, it turned disgusting. Oh my gosh! And it has hair.
I'm gonna go get us a plate, so.
Go get us a plate, please.
That's what I'm doing, stupid. Make sure it doesn't hit the ground.
It's not gonna get to the ground, though.
Or hit the thing.
It's not gonna get all disgusting. Oh my gosh, that looks so disgusting.
Okay, Barbie.
Oh.
You talk to my viewers.
Alright.
Oh.
Okay, so
This is all sticking to my hands.
her slime is pink with stars.
Oh, look.
Okay, better. Oh no!
You help this.
I will. So you guys, I'm cleaning up our kind of.
After Natalie comes back here, I can have some.
No, not my slime. Okay.
I was just feeling it.
This isn't my slime. It's so cute. It's
I
brown.
feel it.
Though.
That's nicer.
It's so brown though.
Yeah, look guys, that's so
Hi,
good.
everyone. Move. Should I pop? Okay. I've got the plates. I'm so stupid.
Yes, you are.
Can I
Oh my
feel?
gosh, I'm so ugly.
One feel.
No.
That's
So we got the plates, people. No, you don't need. So we got plates, and this is my video, so you need to move.
Me?
No. Wait.
What?
I said wait.
Jules, do you want everyone to hear you crying?
Let me stop.
You
Quit
will.
commenting on my video.
Let me
Do you want to get traumatized?
Let me stop. Let me
Wait.
stop.
I told you to wait.
That's child abuse. Oh my gosh, everyone call 911 on
Oh my
she's
God,
child
shut up.
abusing her sister.
I just tapped her. Tap. I know we're twinning today. We're both wearing green.
We're not wearing the same shirts.
We're wearing green, at least.
But mine's lighter.
Mine's Actually, no, I like lighter green.
I like
Comment below what your favorite color is.
I like
Don't. I have a little bit of burn.
I'm gonna poop in my slime. Like,
Ow! Let me know what the green in this one.
how is there green?
No, my slime's not green. My slime's dark. Like a brownish grayish.
ASMR, shut up. Bubble test.
Ow.
Okay, sadly no bubble. Oh, there's sparkles.
Crackling. Yes. Wait, how do you say it?
Crackles.
Crack. Oh my gosh, does that sound so good?
We got this dice.
That's not how you do it.
Grab
it.
Wait!
You grab it, put it together, and do that. Does that sound so? Oh, and I got a scrunchie.
Oh, I got scrunchie in my hair.
I got
What's
it.
your thing? Wait, is this still in my hair?
Yeah. Our friend Melina gave us this slime.
Because we're like bestest friends.
And she also gave us scrunchies.
Oh my god!
No, don't!
I was like, wait. Okay, so this is my slime.
Really?
Move your slime then. This is my slime. It's like a light
Your
pink.
slime's so ugly.
And it has glitters in it.
Your slime's so ugly.
Yeah, shut up! I'm doing it!
Haha, you
And
better
then it's like a very light pink. It stretches very well. Sorry about the sun, but this is it. It's a light pink, has star glitters in it. We put light lotion to make it better. This is hers. I'm allowed to demonstrate because it's my video. Yeah. This is hers. It's a poop color. It's green poop color. Actually, like, it's really sticky though. It's like really sticky, but it comes off really easily. It's stretchy. Let's do poke test.
This one's not even school.
Pretty good. Should try the bubbles. The crunch. I actually like them crunches. Now, we're not gonna try and actually do a bubble. Oh no! No!
You're so stupid.
Okay, so we gotta help this. It got on the sides.
Oh my gosh, your slime makes my hands all watery.
Nice.
But my hands are all watery.
Look at that. Look at that ugly green color, man.
I hate the
Give me my lovely peak back.
But I hate the color.
Comment down below which one you like.
Probably hers because
Hashtag baby pink blue.
mine's hashtag banana diarrhea.
Banana diarrhea. So comment down below which one you like.
Hashtag banana diarrhea, which is me, Savannah. And hashtag
Unicorn.
unicorn.
Pinky. You're so stupid. We're
Well,
just
you
having
guys
like the
wanna
time
know
of our lives
something?
out here.
You want to know something? Oh my gosh, we were like bike riding, and I accidentally stepped on her phone.
Yeah.
And then
there's a big crack in it now.
And then later on, she at the park. We were at the park with our friends. You know, friend group, bestie group.
There was like 7 of us at least.
And then while we were sitting down, she took her phone, threw it on the ground, and then now there's a big old crack. I can't. Oh.
See what I really like about the slime is that it's pink. It's
Pink is
very
so
like
ugly.
pink.
I love this one because it's so
Oh
beautiful.
gosh, she's abusing me.
Nice, I like
And
it.
I love your slime. It's so beautiful.
Thank you. He's more pretty. Mine are bananas.
Both of yours.
Ew.
Both of yours.
Oh my gosh, it has one of your stars in there. What am I using? Oh, sorry guys. Oh.
Ooh.
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 Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it shoots at the camera.
This is more sticky. Sticky.
I hate you.
I love this. I love this one because it has a name and I love it. Oh, I think.
Mine sticks to the plate.
I think.
Oh my god!
I
Was that
think-
satisfying?
I think You went on 7-1.
Shut up, Jules.
Yeah, shut up. Marjorie.
Shut up.
This is
Wait.
spilled it. I hate root beer.
I'm
Oh
not
my
spilling it
gosh.
on you. Spill the tea, sis.
Spill the
Thank
root.
you. Spill the root beer, sis.
Ew, it's on my ankle. Ew.
Oh, you're good now.
I hate root beer.
You don't like it. You like it.
I hate root beer.
No, you don't. You love
You're
it.
welcome.
You're standing in it.
No.
Oh my god, I can fill this whole plate up with my slime. She can't.
What?
Look at that. Look at it. 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 Mine's bigger.
Up all the way up here. I bet I can cover the
What's
whole.
that?
I bet I can cover up the whole entire plate with my slime.
What's that? Move.
Natalie.
Get out. Go to your seat now.
You're not allowed to be on.
You're already in it, so you can go now.
Yeah. I can cover up the whole entire plate with my slime.
Oh, you want to go.
Yeah, I do.
You want to go, huh?
Yeah.
Are you in a competition?
Maybe. Why do I sound like...
BCW, she's sleeping over again, so.
What? I am? Yeah.
Remember? You asked your dad. Yeah, stupid.
Should I call my dad?
You just called him not too long ago.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Shut up.
Oh,
I don't... You know, people say curse words on their channel. Wait, how did they not get money? How does...
This is a little tiny one. Give me
but
some more.
sometimes they bleep
Give
it
me
out.
some more. This is a little
Nuh-uh.
tiny one.
Jeffree Star doesn't...
Give me some more.
True.
Give me some more.
True. BCW, the gayest people of all the gayest persons
Jeffree Star.
are Jeffree Star and James Charles.
Give me some
But
more.
I love James Charles because he's...
Natalie, give me some
Hi,
more.
sisters.
Natalie, give me some more.
I said that. Where is it?
Have this is a little tiny piece.
Let me see that.
Is it dirty? Is it disgusting?
That's disgusting.
Ew. She has disgustingly dirty hands.
This is the green.
Ah! I just stepped in the room.
Evil plans work. No, get that ugliness out of my slime.
Can I have some of your slime?
No, get out, get out.
You took some of my slime.
There's some more, so you can have that. Because a little bit of prettiness.
Yay. A little. Fine, you can have a tiny bit of mine.
Yay.
Here you go.
Yay.
Yeah, you can
I'm
have.
thirsty.
Oh my gosh,
It's hot.
this is more sticky.
Well, it's the summertime. Probably not going to be
We're in
finishing this.
LA.
Yeah, we're in LA.
Yeah. Wait, I forget. Are we? No.
We're in LA, stupid.
I thought we were. Wait, are we in LA?
Wow. This girl doesn't even
No,
know
it
where we
doesn't.
are.
Wait.
Well, I'm
No, we're in
tall.
California. We're in California.
Wait. California, or wait, what?
Yeah, we're in California right now. We're in California.
Oh, yeah, we're on a trip.
We're on vacay.
Yeah. Oh my god, I've been 14.
We're going to LA next. And then we're going to... What is it? No.
Oh, we're gonna go finish, or
We're gonna... we're going to,
visit our friend Rocco that we haven't seen in forever.
Oh my gosh, why Rocco?
He's one of my bestest friends.
We're gonna go to LA.
And then we're gonna go to North Carolina where
No,
Rocco
I
lives.
thought it was...
Yeah, Mom said.
Really? Oh, no.
BCW,
Oh,
me
yeah.
and her sisters.
Why did you...
Well, because she can't. She lives with her dad.
Yeah.
She's not well with her mom, so
My
She
dad has
sleeps
both
over
husbands.
like a friend, but BFFF. But
We're sisters.
yeah, she just lives right down the
I
road from
think
me.
this is more sticky.
'Cause her dad didn't feel like drive her down to my
So
house.
that's
with
why
me.
I walk and.
Oh, she's 13.
No, I'm 14.
Wait, no.
I'm 14.
Tyler's 13. You're 14.
Yeah, I'm 14.
Oh, I just realized.
And you're 11.
Oh, BTW.
No, wait, you're 14 too.
Here, don't tell anyone this. My brother's adopted, so don't tell him.
Wait.
Yeah.
What? What
Nothing.
did you tell them?
Nothing.
That I'm adopted?
No, not you.
Oh, yeah.
Remember
that's
we
right.
adopted him?
Yeah.
Ty was adopted.
No, stupid.
Tell me, Havana.
No.
She said that I was adopted.
Adopted.
Adopted. She don't. Wait. Oh my gosh, we're just playing out here for 60.
Hoisters!
How long is this video gonna be?
I don't know, at least like 30 minutes.
It's 6.
Well, we're gonna get going. We
soon.
got some stuff to do.
We're gonna
so-
be going in like 3 minutes. Let's do 3 more minutes.
Like 2 more minutes.
3 more minutes.
2.
3 because it's
2.
almost. It's almost been 2 minutes. It's been 16 seconds. 40.
Screw you.
16 minutes. And 30.
Ty, we never go to bed because
I'm a child molester.
this is fighting.
Yeah, 13.
Wait, come here, Jules.
We're gonna.
Wait it. Come here.
What?
Come here. This is our cute little sister.
Wait, we can sing song lyrics.
Jules.
We can sing song lyrics.
Right.
We're gonna play.
I know a song. Wait.
We're gonna play some music.
Just a touch of your love.
Just a touch of your love.
Put my light on. I don't care. It says bad words in my video.
Okay.
BTW.
You
It's-
guys put on your own like music. We're
But
gonna-
please don't get us demonetized because
No, we're gonna get copyrighted, dum dum. Yeah. So.
okay, well,
You guys pop on your own.
well,
own
shut up.
music.
It's
No.
my phone. Shut up.
But
So,
it works, my
if
phone.
you're not allowed to listen to bad music, I would suggest you turn this video off and still like it and then subscribe. Hit that comment down below,
Oh,
hit the
what's
thumbs
blue?
up,
I just
make
put
it
on-
blue, make it gray to blue,
I wanna. Ow.
and make it red to gray. Turn the bell on. Thank you.
I can speak. I can speak with my mouth.
What?
I can speak. It says I can speak with my mouth closed.
Oh, Lurry.
I love guys. Oh my gosh, I love Lurry and James Charles. Lurry is my favorite YouTuber. So, should we give a shout out to Lurry?
Shout out to Lurry!
Oh
And
my
James
God.
Well, James Charles doesn't need a shout out.
She does. His sisters need a shout out.
Okay, shout out to Hey Sisters / James Charles.
Shout out to James Charles and Lurry. Go check out their channels. They're gonna be linked down in the description below. And I don't have a YouTube channel, so yeah. Don't go follow me because I don't deserve it.
It's my video. I can put on whatever music I want.
That's my phone.
Yeah, I know. Oh, alright. Lurry.
That's
That's
Lurry.
Lurry.
That's Lurry. He's so amazing. LARRI. That's me. Hey girlies, it is me, Lurry. Oh my gosh. No, we're gonna get copyright.
No.
My heart is beating faster, fast as it can go.
Jules, go to your seat.
'Cause I'm overthinking every word that was never said or heard. Happy ever after? I don't think so. I'm in love with someone who doesn't know I exist.
Jules!
I stare from afar in my hand, broken heart while I play pretend. I'm in love with someone who doesn't know I exist. And it's you, yes, it's true. You don't even know it. I can't ever win. Am I invisible? Should've let it go. Would you ever know? Am I just another crazy laying on the low? Am I invisible? Will you
Make
ever
my
see
sister
what you do to me? Breaking hearts in
Make my
the dark
sister
so
regret
easily.
everything.
I just put Rooster in
Am
my.
I invisible?
I dare. Wait, we're gonna play Truth or
Caught
Dare.
up in tongue-tied.
Dare.
What have I become?
Pour some root beer in this line.
Always got you on my mind. Got me feeling dumb. And I'm tripping over my own feet. And I'm magic got the best of me. Falling for you slowly. From a
I don't like this.
distance. I'm in love with someone
Dare, so I
who
dare
doesn't
you.
Alright,
know
Truth or
I
Dare.
exist. I stare
Is
from
it
afar
true
in
that
my
you like
hand, broken
our
heart
friend
while I
Chris?
play pretend.
No, is it true that you like Rocco?
I'm in love with someone who
Okay.
doesn't know I exist.
Savannah.
No, you
It's
shut
you,
up.
yes, it's true. You don't even know
Savannah,
I
Truth or
can
Dare?
Dare.
Am I invisible? Should've let it go. Would you ever know? Am I just another crazy laying on the low? Am I invisible?
What?
Will you ever see what you do to me? Breaking hearts in the dark
Okay,
so
Jules, go ahead.
easily. Am I invisible?
Yeah, we're cutting your sign. Wait, no, cut your sign.
We're gonna cut it. Okay, this isn't your video. Switch now.
Why?
I'm in
Switch!
love with someone
I said switch.
who doesn't know I exist.
No, Natalie, stop!
And it's
said
you,
move.
yes, it's true. You don't even
Get off
know
my
it.
phone!
I said move.
Well, get off my phone. Oh, thanks for your sign. I'm keeping this sign now. Okay, Natalie, truth or dare?
Move.
Truth or dare?
Quit!
Natalie, truth or dare?
No, wait, switch.
Natalie, you said you wanted me to go over here. You said you wanted me to go over there.
Never mind, because I need to be the center of attention, okay?
Yeah, you're ugly. Natalie, truth or dare?
Dare.
Dare you to let me keep your sign? You have my sign. Don't! Natalie!
That's what I thought it's a no.
Yes, it's a dare. You have to.
I'm going
I'm
to
not
drop
your
it.
friend. Bye. Not your friend.
You mean sister, stupid.
Not your friend or sister. I hate you now. It's a dare. You have to do the dare.
No, I'm not giving it a beautiful slime. I'm not giving it up to one.
You
someone.
could die, that dum dum.
I'm not giving it doing something that I like.
Natalie.
What?
Okay, I'm leaving the video. You do the video by yourself.
Goodbye.
Bye. I hope you don't win.
Which one do you like more, mine or yours?
I like one.
No.
I dared you, so you have to do
Alright,
the
truth.
dare. No, you already picked
Truth or
dare.
dare? Truth or dare?
True.
Do a dare.
No.
You need to do a dare.
No. Natalie!
Then.
Huh?
Punishment.
No!
Brat. You're a really brat. You're a real brat. Get out of my video now. Get out.
I said don't mix it, dum dum.
Okay, get out of my video.
Why would you mix it?
I said get out.
Why would you mix it?
Get out.
Why would you mix
Get out of my video.
it? Why would you mix it?
I'm going to drop this.
And I will tell Mom. Mom!
What?
Natalie! I'm not your friend. I'm moving out.
Bye. You don't even live with me, stupid.
I have my stuff in there. No.
Bye, Mabel.
Bye! Get out! Thank you.
I actually hate you for real.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't give up my slimes or something. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so sadly we've got a party pooper. But you got me. So that girl Lurry is a freaking crackhead.
It's the best.
Get out! Shut up, get out, bye. Whatever. So, we got this slime. Yeah. Alright, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the bell. Turn it gray to blue. Subscribe. Make it red to gray. Turn the bell on. And love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.